Hello my dear viewers, welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. In today's video I have brought question and answers of chapter ईमानदारों के सम्मेलन में from class 10th Karnataka board. Explanation of the same chapter I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. So now let us start. First main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. आंसर इन वन सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रस्तुत कहानी के लेखक कौन है? हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द स्टोरी? आंसर, प्रस्तुत कहानी के लेखक श्री हरिशंकर परसाई जी है. श्री हरिशंकर परसाई जी इज द ऑथर ऑफ द स्टोरी. देन सेकेंड वन, लेखक दूसरे दर्जे में क्यों सफ़र करना चाहते थे? वाई डिड द ऑथर वांटेड टू ट्रैवल इन सेकेंड क्लास? आंसर, लेखक दूसरे दर्जे में सफ़र करना चाहते थे क्योंकि पहले दर्जे का 150 रुपए की बचत करना चाहते थे. सी ही वॉन्टेड टू ट्रैवल इन सेकेंड क्लास बिकॉज ही थॉट टू सेव ₹150 फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट वन, लेखक की चप्पलें किसने पहनी थी? हु वॉज वेयरिंग ऑथर्स स्लीपर? आंसर, लेखक की चप्पलें एक ईमानदार डेलीगेट ने पहनी थी. Okay, the who was wearing author's slipper? An honest man was wearing author's slipper. Then next one is स्वागत समिति के मंत्री किसको डांटने लगे? Whom did the minister of reception committee scolded? Answer is स्वागत समिति के मंत्री कार्यकर्ताओं को डांटने लगे. The minister of reception committee scolded the workers. कार्यकर्ताओं means workers. Then next, लेखक पहनने के कपड़े को कहाँ दबाकर सोए? Where did the writer keep his clothes while sleeping? Answer, लेखक पहनने के कपड़े को सिरहाने दबाकर सोए. He kept his clothes near his head while sleeping. सिरहाने means near the head. Then next, सम्मेलन में लेखक के भाग लेने से किन किन को प्रेरणा मिल सकती थी? Who was going to get benefit by author's participation in conference? Answer, सम्मेलन में लेखक के भाग लेने से ईमानदारों और उदीयमान ईमानदारों को प्रेरणा मिल सकती थी. By author's participation in conference, the honest and would-be honest people would have benefited. Then next question is, लेखक को कहाँ ठहराया गया? Where did the writer stayed or accommodate? Answer, लेखक को एक होटल के बड़े कमरे में ठहराया गया. He was accommodated in a hotel of big room. He was accommodated in a room of big hotel. Okay. Then next question is, briefcase में क्या था? What was in the briefcase? Answer, briefcase में कागजात थे. Papers were there in the briefcase. Then लेखक ने धूप का चश्मा कहाँ रखा था? Where did the author kept his sunglass? Answer, लेखक ने धूप का चश्मा कमरे के टेबल पर रखा था. He kept his sunglass on the table of the room. Then next, तीसरे दिन लेखक के कमरे से क्या गायब हो गया? What was missing in the author's room on the third day? Answer, तीसरे दिन लेखक के कमरे से कंबल गायब हो गया. On third day, blanket was missing from the writer's room. कंबल means blanket. Then next main is 2-3 वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is, लेखक को भेजे गए निमंत्रण पत्र में क्या लिखा था? What was written in the invitation letter sent to the author? That you have to write. Answer, लेखक को भेजे गए निमंत्रण पत्र में लिखा था, हम लोग इस शहर में ईमानदार सम्मेलन कर रहे हैं. आप इस देश के प्रसिद्ध ईमानदार हैं. हमारी प्रार्थना है कि आप इस सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन करें. हम आपको आने जाने का पहले दर्जे का किराया देंगे. भोजन और रहने की उत्तम व्यवस्था भी करेंगे. आपके आने से ईमानदार और उदीयमान ईमानदारों को बड़ी प्रेरणा मिलेगी. So what was written in the letter? It was written that we are organizing an honest meeting in the city, and as you are famous honest man in our eyes, we invite you to inaugurate our function and deliver speech so that it would be a motivation, inspiration to honest and would be honest people. And for that we will provide you first class ticket to travel and also will make best arrangements of food and accommodation. So all these things were written in the invitation letter. Then next question is, फूल मालाएं मिलने पर लेखक क्या सोचने लगे? What did the author think when he was welcomed with garland? मालाएं means garlands. Then आंसर इज, लेखक जब स्टेशन पहुंचे तो उनका खूब स्वागत हुआ। लगभग 8-10 बड़ी मालाएं पहनाई गई। तभी उन्होंने सोचा इन मालाएं को बेचकर पैसे कमाया जा सकता है। So when author reached the station, he was welcomed with 8 to 10 garlands. By seeing so many garlands, he thought to sell it and earn some money from it. Okay. Then next question is, लेखक ने मंत्री को क्या समझाया? What did the author said to the minister? आंसर, लेखक ने मंत्री को कहा कि पुलिस को बुलाने की बात न करो। ईमानदारों के सम्मेलन में पुलिस ईमानदारों की तलाशी ले, बड़ा अजीब लगेगा। वैसे भी इतने बड़े सम्मेलन में थोड़ी गड़बड़ी होती ही है। So what did the author say to the minister? He said that you don't talk about police here because this is the conference of honest people. All honest people are assembled here. They are present here. And if police comes and search the thief, then what image we will have? Yes. So these type of silly things happens in the conference. So there is no need to create a big issue. Who told all this? Lekhak told to the mantri. Okay. Then next is, चप्पलों की चोरी होने पर ईमानदार डेलीगेट ने क्या सुझाव दिया? What did the honest delegate suggest when the slippers were stolen? आंसर, चप्पलों की चोरी होने पर ईमानदार डेलीगेट लेखक के कमरे में आए और कहा चप्पलें एक जगह नहीं उतारनी चाहिए, दोनों चप्पलों में 10 फीट की दूरी होनी चाहिए, तभी चप्पलें चोरी नहीं होती। मैंने तो ऐसा ही किया। So when the slippers were stolen, an honest delegate, he came to the author's room and said that, see, you should not remove both the slippers at one place. If you are removing one slipper at one place, there should be a distance of at least 10 feet. Then you should remove your second slipper. If you are keeping a pair of slipper at one place, then it will definitely be stolen. So what you have to do, you have to remove your one slipper at one place and the second slipper, that should be 10 feet far from the first one. Then only your slippers will be safe. If not, it will be stolen. Even I did the same thing. So I am wearing my own slippers. And who said all this? ईमानदार delegate said to the author. Then next is, लेखक ने कमरा छोड़कर जाने का निर्णय क्यों लिया? Why did the author decided to leave the room? Answer, लेखक ने कमरा छोड़कर जाने का निर्णय लिया क्योंकि उनकी सारी चीजें चोरी हो रही थी। चोरी करने वाले ईमानदार डेलीगेट ही थे। उन्हें भय था अगर वे रुके तो वे भी चोरी हो जाएंगे। See, the reason why the author decided to leave the room was that all his things were getting stolen. Each day, every day, one or the other day, some or the other thing was missing. And the shocking part was, honest people were stealing the things. They were the thieves. So after knowing all this, he thought that if I stay here for some more days, even I too will be stolen. Okay, so this was the reason why he decided to leave the room and go. Then next question is, मुख्य अतिथि की बेईमानी कहाँ दिखाई देती है? What shows the dishonesty of chief guest? Who is the chief guest? Our author. Okay, मुख्य अतिथि, chief guest, our author. So how, what are the qualities by which you can say that even author is dishonest? That you have to write. So answer is, लेखक को सम्मेलन में उद्घाटन के लिए निमंत्रित किया गया था। उन्हें आने जाने के लिए पहले दर्जे का किराया दिया तो उन्होंने सोचा दूसरे दर्जे में सफ़र करके पहले दर्जे का किराया बचाया जा सकता है। मालाएं मिलने पर सोचा इन्हें बेचकर पैसे कमा सकते हैं। यहाँ उनकी बेईमानी दिखाई देती है। See, we know that author was invited to inaugurate the function, and for which he was given first class train ticket. But what author thought? He thought that if I travel in second class instead of first class, I could save rupees 150. Okay, and also when he was welcomed with garlands, he thought to sell it and earn some money from it. So this type of thinking shows his dishonesty. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट मैंने 4-6 वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए, आंसर इन 4 to 6 सेंटेंसेस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लेखक के धूप का चश्मा खो जाने का वर्णन कीजिए। हियर यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब द इंसिडेंट हाउ द ऑथर लॉस्ट हिज सनग्लास। आंसर, लेखक ईमानदारों के सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन करने गए थे, उन्हें होटल में ठहराया गया था। अगले दिन वह बैठक में जाने के लिए चश्मा पहनना चाहा तो चश्मा गायब था। एक दो लोगों से कहा तो बात फैल गई। एक सज्जन दुख प्रकट करने आया तो लेखक ने पहचान लिया कि वो तो मेरा ही चश्मा पहना है। See, the author, he was invited as a chief guest in the conference of honest meeting, and he was provided with best facilities like food, accommodation. And next day when he was getting ready to go to the function, he saw that the sunglass that he kept on the table was missing. He said this news to his neighbor, and slowly everyone came to know about this incident, that he lost his sunglass. After listening this, one honest man, he came to his room to express his sorrow. At that time, author recognized his sunglass. He saw that the man is wearing his sunglass. Okay. देन सेकेंड वन इज मंत्री तथा कार्यकर्ताओं के बीच क्या वार्तालाप हुआ। वार्तालाप मीन्स कॉन्वर्सेशन। व्हाट वाज द कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन मिनिस्टर एंड वर्कर्स। आंसर, मंत्री कार्यकर्ताओं को डांटने लगे कि तुम लोग क्या करते हो, तुम्हारी ड्यूटी यहाँ है, तुम्हारे रहते चोरियां हो रही है, बाहर यह बात पता चली तो कितनी बदनामी होगी। इस पर कार्यकर्ताओं ने कहा, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ईमानदार डेलीगेट अगर यहाँ वहाँ जाए, ईमानदार डेलीगेट अगर यहाँ वहाँ जाए तो क्या हम उन्हें रोक सकते हैं। इस पर मंत्री को गुस्सा आया और कहा, मैं अभी पुलिस को बुलवाकर तलाशी करवाता हूँ। तभी एक कार्यकर्ता ने कहा, किसकी तलाशी करवाएंगे, आधे डेलीगेट तो वापस चले भी गए। See, the minister, he started scolding the workers that what you people do here, thefts are happening in your presence. If people come to know about this, then what image we will have? You people are not doing your duty properly. So for this, workers replied that what can we do if honest delegates, they are going here and there, they are moving here and there, we cannot stop them, can we? So after listening this, the minister, he got angry and said that wait, I will call the police. Then one worker said, whom will the police investigate? Half of the guests have already left from here. So all this conversation was going between minister and workers. Okay. So now the next question is, सम्मेलन में लेखक को कौन से अनुभव हुए, संक्षेप में लिखिए। Here you have to write briefly what experience the author had in the conference. Okay. आंसर, सम्मेलन में लेखक को बहुत से अनुभव हुए, जैसे पहले तो उनकी चप्पलें चोरी हुई और बदले में फटे पुराने चप्पलें मिली। अगले दिन चश्मा गायब हो गया। तीसरे दिन कंबल चोरी हो गई। आखिर में ताला भी चोरी हो गया। यह सब देखकर उन्होंने सोचा, अगर कुछ और दिन रुका तो मैं भी चोरी हो जाऊंगा। इस तरह उन्हें बहुत बुरा अनुभव हुआ। See, the author, he had a very bad experience. He experienced many things and that was not good. Like very first, he lost his new pair of slippers and instead of that, he got a old and torn slipper. Okay. Then next day, his sunglass was missing. When he thought to wear his sunglass was missing. And on the third day, his blanket was stolen. And also at last, his door lock was also missing. So every day each and everything was missing from his room. So he thought, if I stay here, even I too will be stolen. So this type of bad experience he had in the conference. Okay, so here I have completed all the question and answers, one sentence, two sentence, four sentences, everything of this chapter, and objectives of the same chapter I will bring in the next video. I hope I have given a satisfactory answer. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.